So we moved into the building around Easter time, so about 6-7 weeks now. The nature of the school, it's an all-through school, so we have a primary brand new build and a secondary brand new build. We started this process about 12 months ago when we started looking. We bought BenQ back in along with the brand that we bought for the primary. We could see quite clearly that BenQ had really developed, screens had developed, and their functionality was so much better.
It's been very positive so far. We had a couple of good training sessions from BenQ, and the teachers were able to learn a lot about the features of the board, and it's been really encouraging to walk around and see them, actually using them to the full potential rather than just as a screen.
Really enjoyed using the BenQ board. There's lots of different features to it, more than just playing our PowerPoint presentations. We've got all the different interactive features that the kids use and the Easy Write. They've got really used to using that. And we also have started using InstaQ Share. It's like a walking visualiser. I use it with students if we're doing any kind of writing tasks, and it means that I can actually pick certain students that have done really well, and then that visualiser goes straight up on the board so the whole class can see, and it's meant that we can include the kids in the lessons really easily as well.
Woodmansterne were looking for a solution that not only provided them state-of-the-art technology, it also provided really good teaching tools for their teachers. They decided to go for BenQ because it gave them the best of both worlds. Not only did they get the best technology, they also get some really good core features that are built into the panel to aid teaching. So we put a training programme together for the team at Woodmansterne. This was a mixture of teacher-based training and also training for their IT team on how to set up things like our AMS and our broadcast. And we still have ongoing training happening now, so we come in twice a year just to ensure that the teachers are happy with the technology.
Training was really good from BenQ. Teachers were allowed to ask a series of questions. Those were all answered really expertly by the trainer, so we were very happy with that.
We love the greater size. BenQ have been able to provide that as a key feature for us. We'd saved money by going with BenQ. We also were able to put a couple in the library, a couple in some of the support rooms, and I would also say the support we've had in terms of training has been really good, so absolutely I would recommend BenQ.